Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. This holiday season bring joy and warmth to your home with easy Christmas decoration ideas 2024. The video features simple budget-friendly do-it-yourself crafts that add a personal touch to your festive decoration, from homemade and handmade ornaments and garlands to rustic centerpieces and cozy lighting. These projects cater to all skill levels. Learn how to transform everyday items like mason jars, pine cones, and twine into charming holiday decorations for a classic Christmas feel. Discover ideas on using greenery, plate patterns, and metallic accents. If you prefer a modern look, the video also highlights minimalist design with a neutral color palette that natural materials. These decorations don't just look great, they create a festive atmosphere that makes everyone feel at home. Whether you're decorating a small apartment or a large living room, these ideas can be adapted to suit your space and style, ensuring a holiday season full of cheer. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.